This present's for you from Uncle Dale and Aunt Dee Dee. Go ahead and open.
Open it up, Caitlin. What did you get?
What is it?
Oh. Pretty soft.
Oh, that one?
Yeah. Yes.
Look, can I see the shirt? Can you open your shirt up and your pants up so I can see? You open it? Open it up.
Let's see what it looks like.
Turn it. Wow!
What is that, Caitlin?
A princess kitty? Isn't that cute?
A
little skirt. What's that?
Those are pants.
What do you say?
Thank you, Happy Dee Dee.
Thank you, I look pretty. Say, it's gonna look so pretty on me, huh?
Good job, Caitlin.
Can you...
I want to see another one.
You want to open another one? Can you say thank you, Aunt Dee Dee and Uncle Dale?
Happy Dale.
Oh, good job. Say I love you.
I want another one.
Okay, can you say I love you?
I love you.
Aw,
I want another one.
sweet. Okay.